Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to convert PNG to JPEG. Here are our suggestions on how to convert PNG to JPEG. We'll cover 3 ways to do this. In Mac, you can use Preview to convert a PNG into JPEG. Just open a PNG file with Preview and then go to File, Export. Choose the location, change the format to JPEG and select the quality. Next up is using a web browser converter. Go to png to jpeg.com and drag a PNG image in. Wait for it to convert and click Download. Click Allow if asked. Finally, let's do this in Photoshop. Open the image in Photoshop and go to Files, Save As. Choose JPEG and click Save. And select the quality. That's it. 3 different ways that can come in handy in various situations. What other similar guides would you like to see? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.